Good morning students, welcome back again to our channel. Today this is the part 3rd video of the same chapter number 3rd, synthetic fibers and the plastics. Yes, in the part 1st video and 2nd video we have seen about what are synthetic fibers, how synthetic fibers are made. Synthetic fiber means that kind of fibers which are made by the human being in the factories by doing the chemical treatments on that. So that are known as a synthetic fiber. Then small units we have seen polymer, small units join together and form a one synthetic fiber. About the two type of fibers we have completed, that is rayon and nylon. Rayon and nylon we have done. Rayon is the artificial silk only. At the end of the 19th century, scientists come to know that how they have to make that kind of fiber similar to the natural silk. So yes, at the end of 19th century they come to know from the wood pulp they can make the artificial silk, and they have given the name to that artificial silk, that is rayon. What the name they have given? Rayon name they have given. And yes, from which country we come to know that silkworm are giving silk to us? Yes, from the China. But silk is more, we can say, expensive, costly rather than the rayon. Rayon is a cheap compared to the silk, because that is the artificial silk and that is a natural silk. So difference are there. Okay. Then we have seen about the nylon. Nylon is also a synthetic fiber in 1931 by using coal, water and air, but they have not used any raw material from the plant and from the animal. They have not used any raw material from plant and animal. What they have used, coal, water and the air in the 1931 they have made. So today in this video we are going to cover about two another types of, we can say, synthetic fiber, that is polyester and acrylic. Yes, another two type of fibers. These are the two last fiber, polyester and the acrylic. Then we will see about the characteristics of the synthetic fiber. Then we will see about the plastic and the characteristics of the plastic. So moving to today's topic, polyester and acrylic. Polyester and acrylic are also synthetic fiber. So total about 4 fibers you have learned in this chapter: rayon, nylon, polyester and the acrylic. Now talking about the first one is polyester. Beta, you have seen many a times, my mother always buys PET. My mother always buys PET bottles and PET jam for storing the items. For storing the items, my mother always buy the PET. So I wondered at what PET it is actually. Beta, तो ऐसी PET है क्या? So PET, it's a polyethylene terephthalate. It's a familiar form of the polyester only. What is this? It's a familiar form of the polyester. Means for storing the things that we are buying. That polyethylene terephthalate is a familiar form of the polyester also. Now where we are using the polyester? Used for making bottles, utensils and the wires, etc. Polyester we are using for making the bottles, for making the utensils and for making the wires. Polyester is made up of repeating units of chemicals. Now about the rayon we have seen how it's made, the process. About nylon also we have seen. Now to the polyester. Polyester is made up of repeating units of chemicals called ester, means monomer. Means polyester कैसे बनता है? Repeating units of chemicals के repetition से. Now the chemical called is ester, or you can say monomer. Chemical called as ester and the monomer. So polyester we can say, plastic is a polymer only. Plastic, it's about a polyester. So it is a synthetic fiber. Polyethylene terephthalate, it's a familiar also, it's a form of polyester. It's used for making the bottles, utensils and the wires of the plastics only. Polyester is made up of repeating unit of chemicals called the ester, that is monomer. Now second and last we can see the synthetic fiber, that is acrylic. Acrylic is also a artificial wool. This acrylic is artificial. Acrylic is known as artificial wool. As likewise rayon is known as the artificial silk. So here acrylic also means an artificial silk. Yes, you know कि we are wearing the woolen clothes. So from where we are getting the wool? How we are getting the wool? Yes, we are getting the wool from the sheep, from the goat, yak, and sometimes we are using the fur of the camels also as the wool. So this acrylic is also known as the artificial wool. We have here sweaters, shawls, blankets in the winter. Many of these are not made up of from the real wool. Many of these things are not made up of real wool. Yes, of how they will made up of? Yes, they are made up of from the acrylic, that is the artificial wool. Artificial wool में से बनता है. This acrylic is, we can say, cheap than the natural wool. Why? Because when they are taking the natural wool from the fleece of the sheep, so it is a very much long process that you have done in the grade 7. Okay, total 6 steps are involved in the same for getting the fleece of the sheep. Then they first they are doing the shearing, then scoring means they are washing that, then they are doing sorting means beard hair and the soft under hair, they are doing the sorting for the same. Then what they are doing, they are removing the burrs from that fleece. उसमें से birds निकाल देते हैं, BURR, as that birds they are removing from the sweaters. Then they are dry करते हैं उसको. Then afterwards they are doing the dye. Then they are selling in the market. Then it's now ready to from natural जो wool हमको sheep में से मिली थी, अब वो fiber बन गया बेटा. So it is a very much long process. That's why the acrylic is much, we can say, cheap compared to the natural wool. So acrylic is also artificial wool only. They are available in the, we can say, variety of the colors. These are prepared from the type of synthetic fiber called the acrylic, means they are available in the different colors we have seen. Synthetic fiber are more durable. They are the more durable, less expensive, affordable, which make them very popular in the dress materials and all the things. एक तो बेटा कम प्राइस है, more durable है. That's why because of the characteristics of that synthetic fiber, it's a more popular for the dress material and the all. You are suppose rainy season is going now. So which kind of umbrella you will take with you? Cotton umbrella or the umbrella which is made from synthetic only? Means the water holding capacity is more in the synthetic fiber. One small activity just you can do in there at home only. Just take 2 containers filled with the same amount of water. In one container just you have to put the cotton cloth, in another you have to keep a synthetic fiber. After 5 minutes just take it out both type of cloth and keep under the sunlight. So after 10 to 15 minutes what you will observe, which material will absorb the more water, which will soak the more water. It's a simple only. The cotton cloth which we have kept, वो ही बेटा ज़्यादा पानी soak कर लेगा compared to the synthetic fiber. जल्दी से dry कौन सा होगा? Yes, of course synthetic fiber ही जल्दी से dry होगा. इसमें crease जल्दी नहीं हो जाती है. Because of these of the characteristics, synthetic fiber is very much popular. Then, but synthetic fibers are means अच्छे भी होते हैं, but sometimes we have to take care for the same. Synthetic fibers, if they will catch the fire, तो immediately that fiber start melting on the body. जिसकी बॉडी में सिंथेटिक फाइबर है वहां पर वो मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो इट कैन बी डिजास्ट्रियस फॉर दैट पर्सन जिसने उसको पहना है, उसके लिए डिजास्टर की तरह हो जाएगा जिस पर्सन ने उसको सिंथेटिक फाइबर पहना है. बिकॉज एज इट गेट्स द फायर, जैसे ही फायर कैच करेगा वो मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. तो इट विल बी डिजास्ट्रियस फॉर दैट पर्सन. That's why synthetic fiber we don't have to wear in the kitchen or in the laboratory where the fire risk is there. जहां पर अगर फायर का रिस्क हमको देखते हैं तो there we don't have to wear the synthetic fiber. This is only the disadvantage of, we can say, of the synthetic fiber. You have burned the synthetic fiber. अगर आप synthetic fiber burn करोगे बेटा, so what will happen? Just try this small experiment at home and just let me know. Now moving forward to the characteristics of the synthetic fibers. So we have done with all the 4 synthetic fibers: rayon, nylon, polyester and the acrylic. Now the last topic for the synthetic fiber, that is the characteristics of synthetic fiber. By learning all the 4 about synthetic fibers, now at last you come to know what are the characteristics of the synthetic fiber. So these are the 4, we can say, characteristics are there. synthetic fiber dry up quickly, durable, yes, less expensive because they are synthetic, they are artificial and easy to maintain. Just activity I have told you for this dry up quickly that you have done कि synthetic fiber जल्दी ही वो सूख जाएगा as compared to the natural fiber cotton. Durable है, less expensive. Why? Because it is a synthetic, it is a artificial, that's why it is a less expensive. Easy to maintain, it is very much easy to maintain. In some of the synthetic fiber you have seen, उसमें से crease जल्दी नहीं होते नायलॉन में, तो मीन्स उसको बार बार आयरन करने की नहीं होगी, तो it is easy to maintain. So these are the 4 characteristics of synthetic fiber. So here I have completed all the things related to synthetic fibers. Now the last topic is pending from this chapter, that is about the plastics. As from your lower grades only you are studying about the plastic. Yes, plastic is harmful for the environment. Okay, we have to say no to the plastic. So actually what it is, we will see in the next part of the video. So up to here, whatever doubt if you're having related to this video, you can ask from me on the online session. Thank you and have a nice day.